Being a pet owner is a huge responsibility. Your furry, fluffy, or scaly pet can take up a lot of your time, and worrying about them may take the shine off any time you spend outside the house. Tech companies know this and release gadgets to make life better for you and your companion. Today we will tell you about the best products for pets. The link of all these products are mentioned in the description, so don't forget to check that. 10. TRACTIVE GPS. One of the best pet trackers on the market, TRACTIVE GPS is an active collar with real-time location tracking for cats and dogs. The collar is connected to your smartphone through an app that tracks your pet. It can be customized to set a predefined area for your pet to wander around, and the app will immediately alert the owner if the pet is out of range. 9. DYSON GROOM. DYSON is well recognized for their high-quality products. GROOM tool is a mess-free brush for grooming medium to long-haired dogs. The GROOM tool is shaped like a regular grooming brush, except it has a small vacuum integrated to the brush that absorbs all the loose hair while grooming your pet, preventing the hair from spreading all around. Apart from hair, the brush removes dead skin cells that can cause allergens in the air. 8. PETNET SMARTFEEDER. PETNET SMARTFEEDER is a simple and easy-to-use pet feeder that can monitor the food ingestion of your pet. It can be scheduled directly from a smartphone and notify the pet owner once the food is served. The application can score food quality for cats and dogs. It has a score based on ingredients and offers over 7,000 recipes and combinations to guarantee a better nutrition for your pet and avoid overeating. 7. PetCube. Ever wondered what your pet is doing while you're away? PetCube is the perfect gadget to stay close and keep an eye on your best friend. The PetCube is a pet camera of high resolution that can live stream all the activity from your pet directly into your smartphone. With a wide angle and full room covers, you can stay close to your pet's movements or send a quick hello with a lifelike sound that makes your voice highly recognizable. A big plus side is its night vision, where you can track and set an activity monitor covering up to 30 feet in the dark. 6. Pet CHATZ. If you're away from home for a short or long period of time, Pet CHATZ allows you to stay close to your pet via live stream video call. The video camera is connected to Wi-Fi and attached to a wall at a reachable height for your pet. It syncs to an app directly on your smartphone so you can call your pet and to see them, and perhaps say some comforting words. 5. CHEERBLE Ball. CHEERBLE's offering is primarily in the form of its little ball, which randomly jumps and rolls around in a way that has had our cat completely transfixed. It's a smart little gadget that's easy to charge up and set onto a few different settings depending on what you need. You can also get it with a variety of play areas that give it places to roll into and under to give your cat more of a challenge to get hold of it, which works really nicely. 4. XAUTOEGG. CHEERBLE is an automatic litter box with a sophisticated design and use guarantee. The litter box is designed to self-clean the litter 5 minutes after its use. The cleaning system works by eliminating waste with a rotating rack. The rack moves slowly, and it can stop automatically to avoid any harm to your pet. It's equipped with an enclosed drawer to contain odors and doesn't need litter to work. This is a positive advantage to save money and time. 3. GOPRO Fetch. GoPro Fetch is a dog harness that works with all GoPro cameras. You can use it to mount your GoPro to your dog and then capture the world from his or her point of view. The harness has 2 mounting locations, chest and back, and is machine washable. It's also fully adjustable to fit small, medium, and large breed dogs in a variety of sizes. The chest mount is even removable for smaller dogs. Hilariously brilliant YouTube videos await. 2. WOPET. WOPET is an automatic food feeder customizable for every pet's needs. It is programmed through your smartphone to set up the meal calendar and quantities for your pet. It can schedule up to 15 meals and alerts the pet parent when food is about to finish. Number 1. Furbo Dog Camera and Treat Tosser. Pets can be home alone for long periods. Some cope and others can suffer from separation anxiety that can be stressful for both the pet and the pet parents. A gadget like Furbo allows you to monitor your pet regardless of your location. And why not? Toss a treat. The dispenser is equipped with a high-resolution camera for live video monitoring connected to Wi-Fi. Which one of them did you love the most? You can buy any of the products from the links in the description. Thanks for watching.